Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get free NFTs on CoinMarketCap. So all you have to do is first you will need to sign up on CoinMarketCap. You can use the link in the description for signing up where you will be getting 20 additional diamonds. Now I will show you why these diamonds are important. So if we go over here and click on CoinMarketCap diamonds, so there are some tasks that you will need to do. Like if you log in every day, you will get diamonds each day, and this keeps on refreshing every week, so you can keep earning diamonds. And then there are some daily tasks. So if you see this, join an airdrop and get 10 diamonds, and you will need to put price estimate. So there are these tasks that you will need to do, and they also have this referral program over here. Once you have around 200 diamonds in your coin market cap, then you can apply for this referral program. So I've just finished my 200 diamonds and I've applied for it. So that's why I'm sharing the link in the description. So if you see this, invite your friends to join, and you both will get 20 diamonds as soon as they accumulate 100 diamonds. So in case if you guys accumulate 100 diamonds, then I will get 20 diamonds, and it really helps my channel grow. And then if you go in the diamond rewards and wait for it to load, so here you will be able to get the NFT. So you will need to have a balance of diamonds in your coin market cap. So if you see this, there are different options over here. So it gets sold out very quickly. So if you see this, this is a pizza exclusive NFT that was for 5,000 diamonds, and this Mario one was for 2,000 diamonds. So once you have sufficient amount of diamonds in your wallet, you can simply go ahead and redeem this. But you have to be very quick because it gets sold out very quickly. So and the NFTs and a lot of freebie keeps on coming. So if we go down, it keeps on coming every time. And in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.